Potential tropical storm Patty could take aim at Florida. Meteorologists monitoring Caribbean system. Meteorologists are closely monitoring a potential tropical system developing in the Caribbean, which could strengthen into Tropical Storm Patty in the coming days. The system is emerging near the area where Tropical Storm Nadine formed just last week. Should this storm develop and organize, its trajectory could bring it toward Florida, raising concerns for residents and local officials who may need to prepare for potential impacts. Formation and possible path. The area of disturbed weather currently sits in a region that has seen active storm development recently, notably with Tropical Storm Nadine. Nadine was a slow-forming storm that eventually passed through Belize and Central America, where it weakened but then redeveloped over the Pacific as Hurricane Kristy. Now, a Category 4 hurricane, Kristy is projected to remain over open water with no immediate threat to land. As the system potentially forming into Patty shows signs of organization, meteorologists are using data from satellite images, weather buoys, and other observational tools to track its path and intensity. Forecast models suggest the storm could approach the Gulf of Mexico, setting a potential trajectory toward Florida. Given the variability of storm paths, forecasters will monitor and provide frequent updates to determine whether Patty could pose a significant threat. Increased storm activity and preparedness. The Caribbean Sea and Gulf of Mexico are particularly active during the height of hurricane season, with warm sea surface temperatures that can fuel rapid storm intensification. This year has been no exception, with multiple storms originating in these waters, raising awareness for preparedness among Gulf Coast and southeastern U.S. communities. Emergency officials in Florida and other Gulf states are keeping a close eye on this system. Should it develop into Tropical Storm Patty, residents may be advised to monitor updates closely, review preparedness plans, and ensure access to emergency supplies. Lessons from recent storms. With Nadine's development and dissipation fresh in mind, meteorologists are cautious about making long-term predictions for Patty's trajectory or strength, as storm tracks can change unexpectedly. Nadine's remnants traveled from the Atlantic to the Pacific, transforming into Hurricane Kristy, an unusual journey that emphasizes the unpredictability of tropical systems. As Florida residents wait for updates, the possibility of Tropical Storm Patty serves as a reminder of the dynamic and sometimes unpredictable nature of hurricane season. Meteorologists will continue to track the system closely, providing regular updates to ensure preparedness should Patty take aim at Florida.